These are the NHS files you weren't supposed to see. They revealed that a third of England's hospitals are missing 10% of their nurses. We had to fight for 10 months to see these files, but we finally got them. So here's what you need to know. This is England's missing nurses. The NHS has a system to calculate how many nurses should be on shift. In most wards, that's based on the expected number of patients and how sick they are. Let's imagine you're a ward manager, and this system says you should plan to have 10 nurses working. The files we've got tell us how many nurses were actually on shift, and the results are scary. Imagine there were only 9 nurses available. That's 1 in 10 nurses missing on your ward. Many hospitals say that would be cause for concern. So how often does this happen? We have 2 years of data. Our files reveal a third of hospitals are consistently lacking this many nurses. I want to show you what's happening in neonatal care because that is really alarming. Remember, these wards treat some of the most vulnerable babies in the country, but we found half of them are consistently missing 1 nurse for every 10 they'd planned for. And it gets worse, a third are missing at least 2 in 10 nurses. And it's pretty bad in critical care for seriously ill adults and older children. We found half of these wards, which includes intensive care, are regularly missing at least 1 in 10 of the nurses they've planned for. On these wards, hospitals plan their nursing levels based on how many beds the NHS has asked them to provide. Hospitals are expected to staff those beds as if everyone was filled with the sickest patients, because at any moment they might be. In some cases, beds could be closed or covered with other healthcare staff. Now, you might think the hospitals can just call in backup, but all these figures already account for temporary and agency nurses. We're launching FactCheck, a brand new tool that allows you to see what's happening in your local hospital. Just type in your postcode or the name of a hospital anywhere in England, and you can see the extent of nurse shortages near you. So just head to channel4.com/FactCheck.